She got time and she knows what to figure out. This ain't in a dream, a place where it seems that love will come around. So don't stay.
Hi guys, my name is Deekshita and welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, then please make sure that you subscribe. So today I'm back with another fashion video, and this is a very fun fashion challenge. It's basically my scrunchie deciding my outfit for a week, and I gave it a little twist, and it's going to be my scrunchies decides my lockdown outfits for a week. So basically for the entire week, each morning I'll take a bag full of scrunchie and I'll randomly pick out one, and that scrunchie will decide what I'm gonna wear that day. It's not necessary for me to have exactly the same color किसी भी clothing piece में, but my entire outfit should complement my scrunchie. So I think this is going to be too much fun. You must be wondering why I'm doing this video at this particular time when I can't go out. But I wanted to do this video because I want to get out of my PJs every day and put an effort into my looks. So I thought, why not do this video, and I can create cute outfits and I can later on wear them outside too, or it can inspire you and you can recreate them in some way. So I think this is gonna be a super fun video, and if you like this video, then give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're liking the content on this channel so far, then please tell me in the comment section. And now without wasting more of your time, let's just get started. So it's the first day of the week. It's Monday today and I think it's 10:30 right now. तो मैं अब इस हैट से कोई स्क्रंची उठाऊंगी randomly, and then that will help me deciding my outfit for the day. Okay, so I got this neon orange scrunchie, and for today I don't think I have like a lot of things to do because मैं पिछले 4-5 दिन से सिर्फ शूट और एडिट कर रही हूँ. Like I shot a video yesterday and one of my videos went live yesterday too. मैंने कल सुबह एक नई वीडियो अपलोड कर दी है. If you haven't already watched it, तो यहाँ पे कहीं मैंने लिंक किया, you can watch it. It's a cooking video and I'm trying it. I've tried it for the first time. So this is my closet. It's very messy right now and I'm someone who likes to stay organized. मुझे अगर messy चीज़ हो तो मुझे बहुत stress आ जाता है. So yeah, the video I'm going to do tomorrow is going to be about my closet only. It will be like a cleanup with me. But for now I have to choose an outfit for today. And I think I have something in mind, so let me see. I came up with 2 t-shirts. I've got these 2 t-shirts. दोनों orange के हैं, but I think I'll go with this one because ये काफी poppy सा shade है, like it matches my scrunchie too. So I'll go with this t-shirt. Hi guys, it's day 2. It's Tuesday today and I have to film a video. So I'll just pick up a scrunchie और decide करते हैं कि मेरी क्या outfit रहेगा for the video. So I'll just pick a scrunchie now. Ooh, I got a neon scrunchie. So let's see what I pick. I have this neon top right here and another one here, but I don't know. Do I want to put top? I think I want to do a white t-shirt with this skirt and then this scrunchie. So I'm just choosing the perfect white t-shirt. This is the complete outfit. I think it looks so cute. And here's my neon scrunchie. Morning everyone, it's day 3. Today is Wednesday and it's going to be another editing day. I have to upload a video tomorrow, so I'll have to edit it whole day. जो मैंने कल film की थी, which was my closet organization. So now I'll take my hat full of scrunchies and decide my outfit for the day. So let me just pick one scrunchie out of it. Oh, nice. I got a like this nice blue scrunchie and it actually matches my nails. So cute. Let me just see what I come up with and then I'll see you later. Okay, so this is the outfit that I chose. Now I have this spaghetti top that I got from Shein recently and the color matches perfectly with the scrunchie. So I wanted to wear it and it's pretty loose. So I wore it over a white t-shirt. Then I really wanted to wear grey trousers with it, like something light greyish, like light grey joggers or track pants. But sadly मेरे पास कुछ भी ग्रे में नहीं था, तो I wore these olive ones. Hi guys, it's day 4 and today is Thursday. So I've got my scrunchies here. I just came out of the shower and I thought, why don't I pick my outfit first? So now today is going to be today I have to upload a video. So my closet cleanup video is going to go up today, and also like I have to plan some videos for a future and sort out some footage. So it's not going to be like a very hectic day. So कुछ नहीं मुझे editing करनी है, फिर I have to dress up like nicely and shoot a video. So it's going to be a chill day. I have to work a little bit and I'll rest some too. So here's all my scrunchies and now I'll just randomly pick one and we'll decide the outfit for the day. So I'll just shuffle it a little. And now we'll pick one. I got, oh, this is like a nice bright pink. So I got this and अभी तक हमने ये किया नहीं है, तो फिर we'll just use this to make an outfit. So let's just see what I come up with. Hi guys, so this is the fit of the day. So I'm wearing this spaghetti which matches my scrunchie. Now I didn't had any other clothing piece that matches, that is of this color. So I had to do with this. And then over there I'm wearing this shirt. Now I really like this fit of a loose slouchy shirt over a fitted spaghetti and then keep all the buttons open or सिर्फ नीचे का button लाके tuck it in. I just really like this look. With my bottoms I'm wearing these shorts. Now I think this looks super cute. Giving up, I'm falling down, climbing up, wait for me, getting there, trusting me. Hi guys, so it's day 5 and I'm all glammed up for shooting a video today. I'm shooting my closet tour. So yesterday, that is on Thursday, one of my video went live. It's organizing my closet. So if you haven't already watched it, then watch that. And I think by the time this video goes up, closet tour भी already live हो चुका होगा. So make sure you watch that. I'll link both of them in the description bar. Now I'll just pick a scrunchie from here and let's see what outfit do we get to make for today's video. ये जो भी outfit create होगा ये आप closet tour वाली video में भी देख चुके होगे because that's what I'm shooting today. So ooh, black, nice. So I got a black scrunchie. Let's see now what I get to create with this, and I'll quickly choose something and get back to you. So this is my outfit. Now initially I wanted to do like a black on black look, but then I thought it would be so boring to do just like a black on black with black scrunchie. So I decided to be creative with it, and I'm wearing this wrap top. Now this top, first of all, I love this top to bits and pieces. Next, this top has this black detailing kind of in it, which completely matches the scrunchie, and this looks like a very different outfit. And now this top looks very good with white pants, so I wore it. So yeah, this is what it looks like and I think it's very good. I got this top from Shein and I showed it in one of my hauls. I'll link it somewhere here and in the description bar if you want the link for it. So it's Saturday today and it's time to decide our outfit of the day. I'll just pick a scrunchie. Also today I have to like edit a video. I think I'll edit a video for Monday. जो video Monday को live जाएगी on my channel, which will be my closet tour most probably. I'll edit that. I also decided to create like 2 videos a week for you, and I'll try my best to upload 2 videos a week. I'm thinking of making Monday and Thursday my uploading days, and I'll upload it around 11 like I always do. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell sign so that you get notified whenever I upload. क्योंकि वरना मिस हो जाती है, नोटिफिकेशन नहीं आता तो वीडियो, and then a lot of you might end up not seeing it. So yeah, click on the subscribe button and the bell sign. And now let's choose our strategy. Oh, we've done a pink one, so I'll choose again. Done with a blue one too. इस लगा स्क्रंची खत्म हो गए सारे. Okay, so we've not done a purple one, so I'll like pick this purple scrunchie and let's create an outfit around it. Hi, so we are back in my closet again. Now I've got this fitted top here. इसमें मतलब पूरा body fitted है. It's got that square neckline and poofy sleeves, and it perfectly matches it also. But I don't want to wear it. I think it's gonna be very uncomfortable. मतलब दिन भर पहनने के लिए. I don't want to wear something fitted. I want to wear something like a little loose. What else can I wear? So this is my final outfit. I am still wearing the same lavender t-shirt that we chose earlier. क्योंकि इसका कलर काफी perfectly match करता है. And then for my PJs I chose those pink pajamas only. Now this was like not my personal style. बहुत ज़्यादा pink, बहुत ज़्यादा girly हो सा मिलने, and that's not what I prefer wearing usually. So I did this very boxy denim jacket on top of it to give it a little break. Also इसमें थोड़ा सा masculine सा feature डालने के लिए, because this outfit was too feminine for me, like the color scheme of it. So this is what the final outfit looks like. I think now it looks pretty cute with the jacket. And also I don't know how, but today I decided to make these Dutch braids. This is my go-to hairstyle for when my hair is oily.
Trusting me, letting go, feel the sound, giving up, I'm falling down, climbing up, wait for me, getting there, trusting me, letting go, feel the sound.
So it's finally Sunday and it's the last day of the week. Now it's time to pick the last outfit too. So here's all my scrunchies and let's pick out the outfit. Okay, we got a yellow scrunchie and I think I have the perfect outfit इसके लिए मेरे दिमाग में, which will be best for today because today I don't have to do anything and it's gonna be a very chill day. So let's see what I wear. Ta-da! Here's my outfit of the day. I'm wearing this pajama set that I got from Zivame and it's so comfortable. Like it's super soft. इसका जो fabric है इतना comfortable है. So this is what I'm wearing. I'm gonna wear my pajamas whole day and make it fashion. So this is my OOTD. Now this is perfect for today. I'm just gonna chill and lounge around. And this is my scrunchie.
Giving up,